student at Bennett University. I'm currently pursuing a BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. So, since 3rd October 2022, I have been interning at Climate Connect Digital. My role is that of an SGE intern. More about the company. Climate Connect Digital is a company which develops a number of software products with the goal of assisting their clients to achieve their net zero targets. Let's move on to discuss the tools and technologies I used during the course of the internship. I use Node.js mostly for API development, aka backend, and Firebase was used as the database, React for frontend, Python for data engineering. Google Cloud Functions were used for deployment, Postman to test the APIs, and Git was used as a version control system, and Notion was to keep track of the tasks assigned. I worked on two projects or problem statements during the internship. So, this is the first project assigned. This was to design the backend and front-end components for various ad hoc projects assigned to the team. One of them was Project Chitragupta. Chitragupta was an application designed for helping the trading team of Climate Connect Digital to organize and analyze the trades and bids for futures. This is the second project. This is to design the backend components for Shopfront project. It is a web application created to assist the different teams at Climate Connect Digital, like procurement, sales, and operations, as well as the partners, aka clients, for trading carbon offsets. Let's discuss the challenges I faced during the internship. And these are a few of the tools or topics I learned during the internship. I learned about D3, which is to create data visualizations or graphs for the application, the project Chitragupta application. And I had to also learn how to ensure all task specific code is scalable. I had to research different ways to perform the assigned task and also identify any gray areas. I learned about the PubSub functions, Google Cloud functions, linting, and Python. I had to stay updated on new technologies and techniques to improve the problem solving skills and to increase productivity in the project assigned. And I had to improve my communication skills. So let's move on to discuss the tasks done from January to March 2023. I created an API to add data bits to Firestore, and I had other tasks which involved adding data like order status history to Firestore. I also modified the CSS in the application. These tasks involved things like changing the forgot password to a link and validating if the email or password for login is incorrect. If it is incorrect, then to show a pop-up box. By the way, these were all in React and adding the eye icon so that the users can see or hide their passwords. Creating Bollinger's bands for analysis using D3. Bollinger's bands are a financial graph and documentation for all the APIs created. So, a task done in April 2023, I created an RSI chart for analysis using D3. Just like Bollinger's bands, RSI chart is also a financial graph. And then I had tasks to add, create, reread, update, and delete operations, also known as CRUD operations for sales. This belongs to the second problem statement. My other task involves creating pub sub operations for notifications in case of any updates in sales. This was both in-app and email, and there was documentation for all the CRUD operations for sales. And a sprint generally lasts for 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the requirements and the release date. Most of the time, it is 1 week. Tasks are generally assigned at the start of the sprint and are expected to be completed by the end of the sprint. And at the end of the sprint, there is also a discussion on what the challenges we faced, what could be better, and what we learned. So these are more specific dates. The last release date for Project Chitragupta was 7th March 2023, and the release date for the Shopfront project is 21st May 2023.